鱼喷还是冒？
这个夏威夷也
这粉岩子变色了吗？
不是夏威夷，整个太平洋所有岛都。
它里面有没有红色了？
虎子。
就是我看那岩石中间这样都是。
那还是看不见。照那么这个。
它现在就到了。
这下边能下去吗？
Just crazy how big it is.
We were here like many years ago and it was static, nothing to see, just a crater.
Just a crater.
Yeah. That was like little campfires everywhere.
Yeah, it does look like a little campfire.